ZLMONDEE rotating display stand is a great way to show off a piece of work. Whether you'd like to display art, plants or use one for photography, a motorized turntable that spins a full 360 is an excellent way to feature anything. Perfect for the home, business, office or studio, rotating display stands are widely available and come in a variety of sizes and styles. Top reviews from the United States. Works great for the price. I was nervous about purchasing this glue shaker because of the price, but honestly it has been a lifesaver and it works really great. It is strong enough to shake the glue properly. I absolutely love the pink color and the stand it comes with to keep it all organized with the different size heads. It also comes with a fan which has come in handy during lash application. For this product you will need AAA batteries. Overall this product has been great and works really well. Save your money and get this one. I will update my review in a few months on how this product performs over time.